She's coming. Hide the bat. Dude, that was the antique. Woof! Perfect timing, slobber bucket.
What happened to my Ming vase?
It was Barnaby. He went crazy chasing a fly.
Barnaby. Bad dog. Outside. N-O-W.
Too easy.
Get the double chalk ones.
We blame the dog for this, too. Make it look like a tail swipe.
Not the cookies. Barnaby!
He broke in through the cat flap. He's a monster. Why is Barnaby trending on my PetCam app? Cam? She's coming! Hide the bat! Honey, watch this playback.
Leo. Rico.
Sit down. It was. A deep fake? My arm hurts. Who's a good tech-savvy boy?
That technology.
I hate technology.